3396, number tower traffic, 5.5 mile final, runway 27, line up point.
27 line up point, Sierra 3396.
Hawaiian 38, reduce the final approach speed.
Hawaiian 38, reducing the final approach speed now.
That was 3469, keep the speed up all the way down to 9, please. That's Bravo 9, contact ground. Traffic's in position, traffic 3.5 mile final.
Keep the speed up, left to Bravo 9 and ground, Sierra 3469.
Hawaiian 38, heavy final, roll all the way to the end, down to Bravo 10, please, traffic.
Oh my god. Oh my god, he's on the runway. He's trying to land.
So he's trying to what?
All the way to the end for Hawaiian 38, thanks. Can we clear to land, sir?
Permanent clear, land.
You gonna make him roll?
102303 is out here with you.
Oh, he
That was 3396, traffic fast at 2.5 mile final, without delay, clear for takeoff.
I,
Clear for takeoff, runway 27, no delays, go 3396.
Hawaiian 38, wind 3608, runway 27, clear to land.
7 clear to land, Hawaiian 38.
United 2303, number tower number 2 behind an Airbus 2 mile final, wind 3609er, runway 27, clear to land.
Clear to land, 2303.
yeah.
They have to wait a longer time before allowing another plane to take off.
Yeah. Here comes Hawaiian.
I have an uncle who works for Boeing in case you think, how does this guy know this sort of stuff? So I'll be asking him to explain.
That was 3396, contact SoCal departure, good day.
Have a great night, that was 3396.
Neo.
LAX is big enough that they don't have to worry about that.
I just love the sound of a Neo.
I need some coffee. That's what I need right now. What's you doing, man?
Hawaiian 38, turn left at Bravo 10, please, and contact ramp 12977. Have a good night.
Hey, left at Bravo 10, run 129775, Hawaiian 38, good night.
You can hear that too?
Speedbird 72 Alpha, roof 40 ready.
Speedbird 72 Alpha Heavy, roger, taxi up to hold short of 27.
Roger, taxi up, hold short to runway 27, Speedbird 72 Alpha.
They say.
Hey, towers, 709 Sierra, turn fast, 1 mile, 27.
Gulfstream 709 Delta Sierra, limit tower number 2 behind traffic on a 3 mile final, wind 360 at 9er, runway 27, clear to land.
Clear to land.
Oh, here comes another Alaska.
We got these two coming at the same time?
Yep. It's another Embraer. Oh, there goes British. He's moving. British is moving.
Who?
British. They're moving. Man, I wish this was in a day, so this lights won't be blinding the cameras, messing up the quality of the camera. Oh, I'm united again. I can see straight through.
At 2303, continue down to Bravo 8, please. Left turn Bravo 8, contact ground. Traffic's on a 2-mile final.
Bravo 8, switch ground, yeah, 2303.
Once it hits 2 o'clock, then it's gonna be just completely dead. I said, well, you can see straight through the plane. I wish I had a camera so I can make really high quality videos.
Make what videos?
So I can make really high quality videos. I'll show it to you when I'm done with the video. Never used one.
You gotta learn how to use it?
Yeah. Well, he's coming in pretty high. His jet looks like a private jet. Yep, there's nobody coming in. That means British is next to take off. Oh, it's a private jet. Yep. That looks.
Speedbird 72 Alpha Heavy, runway 27, line up and wait.
Runway 27, line up and wait, Speedbird 72 Alpha.
Man, this dang light is annoying. British is next. Yes! Yes! British is lining up. Yes!
Oh, I see.
Gulfstream 9 Delta Sierra, turn left at Bravo 9. Christian, Bravo 8 or 9, and contact ground 239. Good day.
Bravo 8, over the ground, Delta Sierra.
I can hear it already. Now once it hits 2 o'clock, it's gonna be dead. Well, at 12, it's pretty much dead.
Towers, yes, 3472, you probably know, but we'll need the full 2 minutes behind that.
Oh,
Tower
yes!
3472, Lim Tower, roger.
Yes! That. Oh, here comes that. Ah, come
Speedbird
on.
72 Alpha Heavy, winds 360 at 10, runway 27. Let's take off.
Takeoff, Speedbird 72 Alpha.
Yes! Yes, Speedbird! Speedbird. It's a plane on final. Here it comes! Yes! 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 It's gonna be loud. Man! Man, I've never seen a 747 take off out of here. Man, I wish A380s were big enough for this airport. I mean, well, small enough for this airport.
747, is that bigger than the Emirates?
No, 747 is smaller than the A380. Man, that was beautiful.